All right, good morning. Hey guys, welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. All right, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets live, and of course, if you're also looking to learn the profitable Forex strategy, then stick around because that's exactly what we're going to do. All right, good day, you guys. I hope you're having a good one. I hope, excuse me, I hope you guys are having a good day so far. And I hope you all had a great London session. I had a fantastic London session post London market open. I was in on the DAX buys and I caught 0.5%, and I'm legit not trading the session. All right, that was the move that I played out for DAX. Okay, that was the entry. Boom, straight up. I took a slightly longer trade and pulled out profits right there at 50 pips, and I still have a runner about $20 a pip that's running on a break-even stop loss to go and hit RTP up there. But lovely move for me. I'm chilling. I don't need to take any trades on this session. I hope you guys are good. And also, guys, listen, we're not financial advisors, okay? So any risks that you take upon yourself. Please, we're in super choppy markets, so you don't want to be risking more than 0.5% or 1% at any given time on any given trade. Okay, gold potentially maybe playing out. Look at that, gold is potentially pushing. Let's take a look on the fives. We're coming in a little bit of support right over here. Let's see how they react to this region. We break down and the cells look good. Okay, I'm gonna put on a line right there. Let's see. We're testing it out right now. We break that, we're getting a push to the downside. Okay, if not, we're gonna pick back up. But consider this an impulse. How you guys doing? What's up? Are y'all in any sort of trades right now? The maximum. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Gold trying to push over sold. Good morning. What's up, you guys? What's up, Space? Vanessa, Deep Minded, Alpha Degen, Emily, Camper, Alt 404. What's up, you guys? Dawood, my man, how's it going? Oh, that's sweet, Alt 404. I hope you have a good session. I hope you make her pips, and may the force be with all of us, okay? Let's get this. So I'm in on a nice clean risk-free position, you guys. I layered my position at this bottom on DAX. So Cash managed to, you caught the sales, right, babe? On London? Yeah, Cash managed to catch. So these were the sells that Cash caught. I didn't get in on this because I was a little caught up today, so I was just I was sitting on the sidelines. But then when I had some time, boom, I saw that, and I saw that bounce, and I'm like, I'm buying it. I started layering my position here. Nice $20 a pip sitting right here, and then boom, on this break of structure, break of these highs. This was my Lambo entry for 50 goddamn pips, you guys. 50 goddamn pips. Gold too close to market open, all right? So you guys want to be careful. You don't want to be getting in recklessly right now. Small lots. If you're getting in on anything, um, small lots, you guys. Feeler on gold, good. Be careful, you guys. They could just pick back up, okay? If the buys want to come in, They could pick up demand from here, no problem. Maybe we head somewhere to this region, okay? So I'd be okay to just maybe adjust this guy up. So where will the buys be? The buys could be above that zone to zone. Okay, we've got zone to zone buys right here. Let's see you guys. Not too much right now. Cash does not respond to DMs anymore. No, I'm pretty sure she does. Why is that? Well, if it's something related to the one-on-ones, then yes, she will reply. But she's also been a little busy from the past couple of days, so I'm not too sure. Why is that though? Have you got any messages, babe, that you haven't checked? Yes, we do, Kurt. We've got news that's out in the next 2.5 minutes. All right, let's see how it goes, you guys. Let's see the sort of moves that we're going to be getting. Okay, I'm currently in no trades. I'm going to be taking it easy today, like I told you guys. I'm done for the day, so I'm okay with not getting any sort of moves right now. My point is, I'm not going to be aggressive, okay? Because I don't need to be. You know, if you guys make your daily pips, if you'll have hit your daily targets, your daily goals, and why do y'all need to be aggressive, right? Have wider stop losses, smaller lots, and just let the market do its thing, especially if you've made some money and made some pips for London with cash. I asked about one-on-ones because I wanted to pick some weekend classes and I did not want it to interfere with her. Okay, I'll make sure she replies to you, Emily. Darkstar, right? I'll make sure she replies to you. I'll let her know. Still in on gold? Okay. Let's see, you guys. We've got a minute to go. A minute to go for news and for market open. Not market open, for news, my bad. Let's see what sort of moves they want to give. Please be careful, you guys. Don't be risking too much. I'm letting you all know, okay? Mm, mm, mm. Let's see. Maybe Nasty is going to start a push down. Maybe the Dow is going to as well. Um, 25 pip move coming this way. Small move coming to the top, but again, if we have enough momentum, we can break past. Let's see, you guys. Let's see. All right. Let's have a good one. 30 seconds to go. I'm gonna keep the indices open. All right, you guys. Let's have the indices open. We may get a little bit of a pop. This is news. Let's have a good one. Let's do this. All right. Watch for the Dow. There may be liquidity grabs before the actual move kicks in. Okay. All right. Positive news. Balance of trade is positive. Labor productivity is also positive. That's Canadian news. Okay. DXY opened up bearish. Could definitely start a push up. US 30, maybe testing out our sell. Watch out, you guys, in case it's happening. If they're only and only testing it out. I'm not in anything, okay? If you guys want to get in on a little bit of a feeler for the dirty, now could be a pretty decent time. It's just a feeler. You're just testing out the markets. You'll know the importance of a feeler. It's just a little bit of a position that you guys take just to test out the waters, just to see if the setup even wants to play out. Okay. Nasty is attempting to test our demand. Okay. Gold starting to push up. The DXY is starting to push down. Let's see if gold gets that fill. Could look good. Okay. Give me a quick second, guys. I'm gonna be back. All right. Sorry about that. Nothing so far. Nothing so far. Okay, just an impulse. You'll need to realize this is also the first, literally the first candle after news is open. So give it some time. Let it do its thing. Let's see if they even want to close in our box, and then maybe we get a sort of a little more volumized move. Okay, if not, they're just gonna pick back up, and boom, they're gonna start pushing up, and then maybe test out the supply up here. Gold rangy between our region. I'm gonna make this a little safer. Let's have our entry on gold sitting right there. Okay, and we have the buys sitting up there. Let's watch, you guys. Let's watch. Okay, that's what I meant. Slow days, you guys. The past couple of days have been slow. It's They're gonna be weeks that are like this. Okay, there's not too much that we can do about it. It's all part of the game. Um, the real challenge is actually being able to navigate your way in these markets profitably on days like these, right? Because when the markets are moving like crazy, anyone can hit buy and sell and make money, right? But it's days like these where your risk management really kicks in, where like I keep telling everyone on the one-on-ones and even you guys on the streams, these markets are not in our control. They're never going to be in our control. But what is in our control is our account, our risk management, our money management. Okay, that's the only thing that we can control. And as long as you have that, you're going to be just fine in these markets. Okay, so wait for it to happen. If you don't get a trade, you don't get a trade. Yesterday, I literally closed the day in plus 500, which for my account is more or less break even, right? So I closed my day in the blues because I didn't want to close it at break even. But there are going to be days that are like this. As technical traders, it's our job to identify these days and adjust our risk management accordingly so that we can be a little safer in these markets, okay? The chat's pretty dead today as well. What's up, you guys? Is everyone sleeping? Am I not energetic enough today? Sleepy market, sleepy peeps. Yeah, tell me about it, man. All right, so they caught support. They didn't close anything below our demand. No attempt to make it supply. It's all good, all right? The buys still look like they may want to come in. Good crime, just watching, jumped on a few minutes ago after waking up. Awesome, man. Welcome. I thought this was news. Yep, I did too. But not every red folder is going to bring the volume, right? This week's a relatively slow week, nothing major. We just have a red folder today, and we have the regular jobless claims that happens every Thursday, 4 times a month. tomorrow, right? So that's all we're sort of really trading with this week. It's slow, it's less volumized, it's a little more erratic, but it is what it is. Okay, as long as we're able to close the day even in 0.25% profit, that's good. You guys need to start realizing that, okay? Not every day is going to give you crazy moves. Not every day is going to be a wild one. I'm still in on this DAX, man. I'm looking for it to go and hit that. That's what I'm looking for. My entry to my TP, solid 50 pips, and I gave myself a 1:2 risk reward ratio with a 50 pip stop loss, a 50 pip TP where I took out my partials, and another 50 pip for my runner to go and hit. Okay, so it's up by quite a bit, $20. Just if this gives me that 50 pip move, do the math, you guys. That'd be my runner. Looking forward to this one. It could happen, it may not happen. It is what it is. But I'm happy. I'm happy. I have no problem just chilling because I'm already done with my trade for the day. And literally, guys, the ones that know me, y'all know that I take one setup a day, and that's about it. That's all you need to sustain in these markets. The more you trade, the more setups you take, the more you sort of um, um, stay in these markets. Look at gold, all right? The more you sort of stay in these markets, the more chances you're giving these markets to take your positions away from you, to take your capital away from you, okay? So just be mindful. It's all good. And yeah, one setup is all you need. Slow, but after 1 hour, it may be fast. Yeah, possibly, possibly. I love the discipline you show us, bro. This is awesome. Thank you, man. But it's the absolute truth. I've been through exactly what most of you guys are going through right now. Where you just don't know when to stop. You don't know when to walk away, and that's natural. It's something that comes with time. And I've realized that if I hit my profit targets, I've hit my profit targets. I have no reason, I have no business to be trading the markets further. So these streams are for you guys, right? They've always been for you guys. We're always here to give you guys our quality setups and to give you guys the information that we do on these on these sessions. So these streams are for you guys, but it doesn't mean that we've got to trade them. Cash absolutely kills London lately with her sessions for London. When I'm done, I don't even need to be trading New York. I'm not even kidding. She absolutely nails the sessions. How many of you guys catch London with cash? I want to know how many people do we have flipping over from London to coming into New York with Forex. Zero? Yeah, Cash says she tells me that she sees you all the time. Rapid. Lovely. Lovely. Okay. A few of you. How many people do you have come on London nowadays? Nasdaq's doing something. Okay. Okay. Nasdaq closed in a box. Y'all know what I like to do. This is now supply. Let's see, fam. Let's see if we want to get any sort of continuations to the downside. Okay, we break that. There's a decent 10 pip move sitting right there. Okay, gold's being really, really choppy. US 30 is completely dependent on this demand zone we're in currently. I do as often as I can. I usually always come, but been away for a few days. Welcome back, Neha. I do as often as I can, usually very early in the. I know, man. It's unreal. Cash was telling me there's so many of you guys that literally wake up in the morning to come on the sessions with her. So kudos to you guys. The ones that that struggle in these markets to actually get better, they're the ones that make money, okay? And the truth is, sleeping's not going to make you no money, all right? It's good to sleep. I totally agree. But when you're learning, when you're in that zone, you're going to have to dedicate a couple of months of your life to actually just putting in the grind, putting in the work, and just paying your dues, because nothing comes easy. These markets most certainly don't, right? So, congratulations to you guys that are actually taking the effort to wake up and get on live twice a day for the sessions. Um, you're on the right path, okay? So far, respecting supply. I set my alarm for London, but I couldn't get up too exhausted. Of course, buddy. That stuff happens every once in a while. It's not something that, naturally, if you're able to do it every day, it's just going to be better for you. But as long as you're able to hop on it every once in a while, that too will teach you enough, right? Because the truth is, the way London moves, the way New York moves, even though New York's moving very, very similarly to London right now, but the way these sessions move are very, very different. And only when you trade both of them are you going to realize your style of trading. Do you enjoy a faster pace of trading? Do you enjoy a slower pace of trading? Do you like um, um, an aggressive style? Do you like a little more calm style? These are the things that you guys need to be figuring out for yourselves. On the one-on-ones, naturally, I help everyone sort of just figure out their style of trading and we play into that. But it boils down to that. You've got to try it all to know what works for you. Cram, you legend, bro. You're too sweet, man. Thank you so much, brother. I try to hop on daily. I'm usually there. Quite the demand zone on gold. Yep, for sure. Bigger demand down here, though, right? There was a reason I was on the 15 minutes and then switched over to the fives because I was trying to look out for a little more key levels, which is why I think this could still play out. Okay, this could still play out at least maybe down to the 54 area, which again, that's a nice 40 pip chunky move if that happens. But let's see. Okay, we haven't had the full retracement of this move yet. Even if this is making a double bottom, we should most likely come down. And look at that, the DXY is soaring high right now. Ugh, look at Nasdaq, it's not moving, man. Not moving at all. Okay, Dirty's picking up support. Dirty's picking up support. Hmm. Is NY usually more aggressive compared to London? Yes, buddy, 100%. Cash hops on with great energy. I'm gonna start tuning in London. I get so stressed when I see red in fast trades. You're always gonna open up a trade in the reds, Emily. It's because of spreads, okay? So don't worry. But literally, every time you open up a trade, you're first gonna open up in the reds. Don't stress about that. It's all good, okay? Low volume so far. Maybe New York will bring it. Yep, yep. Maybe. Not maybe. Most definitely. Will you be staying for NY Open? Maybe, buddy. I'm not too sure as of right now. I'm gonna just see. Um, let's see how the new Ali opens up. Okay, let's see if we get some volume then in the next 14 minutes, and we'll take a call accordingly. On paper, Nasdaq looks like a good position to follow our entry exit strategy on, but there's just no volume for me to confidently take the trade. Absolutely. Don't use a 10 pip stop loss on this, bro. At times like this, if you think that we could still go bullish, have your stop loss maybe somewhere here, or if you're taking a really tiny trade, have your stop loss all the way up there, right? So you could be looking at a 25 pip stop loss, and you're giving the trade time to breathe as well. And yeah, so if you're going for a 1:1, you could be looking at about 30 pips there to about 30 pips down there. See what I mean? And keep taking out partials as you hit the necklines and so on and so forth. So, okay, let's see. That's correct, Dawood. Sorry about that. My wife was being funny. Okay, let's see. Are they going to respect the supply? I see people dropping out of the stream because it's that boring today. We all know it. The ones that staying, usually on days like this, by the time we end the stream, there are like 30, 33 people. And those are the ones that get that big fat move. Okay, so you guys leave. That's on you. All right, so just wait. Be patient in these markets, okay? It's always a test space, my man. You know it by now. It's always a test. Yeah, by the end of it, I'm telling you, there'll be like 25, 27 people. And just before we close the stream, or immediately after we close the stream, I'll update you guys on open chat, and the moves are gonna kick in. But the ones that stay, I'm telling you, patience pays off in these markets. Okay, you guys stay, y'all reap the benefits. There's the discipline I was talking about, bro. Let's go. Yes, sir. People who stay are the real ones. Absolutely. Cram is making the market slow on purpose and then give us the move. How I wish, man. How I wish. Inshallah, one day. Inshallah. It'll happen one day. Um, and we'll all do it together. Like I keep telling y'all, okay? We're the army of millionaires, man. Even if I won't be able to do it alone, together we'll make those big candles, you guys. Together we'll do it all. There's nothing we can't conquer, right? Okay. Still watching, still chilling. The music's on. Um, chilling, you guys. What plans do we have for the weekend? What are you guys doing? Let's chit chat. Let's talk. If you guys have any questions about the markets, I reckon there are not too many new people on today. Because even if they were on this session, I'm sure they stepped out, which is all good. But if you guys, my existing members, already have any questions, then let us know. All right, we've got some time to kill, and if we don't have any questions, what plans do you guys have for the weekend? I'm really looking forward to Sunday. I'm looking forward to a nice UFC card after quite some time. Um, yeah, should be fun. Cram Legend, God bless you. Thank you so much, buddy. You're so sweet with the blessings that you give me. I couldn't appreciate you more. Thank you so much. Shukriya, Bhaijan. That would be the army of billionaires type shit then. Absolutely. I'm hitting the racetrack this weekend. Hey, finally. I know what that means, Space. I know what that means. Congratulations. Good for you, man. Always the happiest for you. Was about to say looking forward to UFC. Yeah, man. Finally. Finally. Yes, correct, Finesse. Resting this weekend. Miami next week. Sounds good. Sounds good. Where's Rapid at? Where's my UFC fam at? Who should we be putting money on this weekend, you guys? It's hard to me. It's hard to me to bet against Nunes. I won't lie. You never know, man. And I love Oliveira. Lots of fight that I'm looking for, but Benny Dariush is very nice as well. I feel like more I watch the educational videos and I know more, the more I get confused because then I want to consider 100 things. Just wait for the one-on-one, Emily. I'm not kidding. Don't go after anything. Ask people on here. The way I'm going to break it down to you is going to be extremely simple and extremely straightforward, okay? So just practice. Till then, I don't want you to think. Think of it this way, right? You've got some time to the one-on-ones. Try to experience the highs and lows because these markets can truly be a roller coaster, Emily. Ask anyone on here. There are quite a few people from the mentorship program on here right now. And these markets, there are going to be highs, there are going to be lows. There's a learning curve with the numbers, with your lots, with your stop losses, with your take profits, and all of that good stuff. So don't try to do anything right or wrong. Just try it. Jump into the water, start swimming. I'll teach you how to swim right, okay? But jump in, and that should be your only sort of goal for the next couple of days till we have our session, all right? So just don't stress out about it is all I'm trying to say, okay? I've got you, and there are a lot of people on the session. You can go ahead and ask them. I will clarify everything to you the right way, okay? Gold's pushing down. Come on, Nasty, break those two candles. Yeah. I have a feeling this may just pick up, you guys. I'm being honest with you all. It seems like maybe it gets a little bit of a retracement before the push to the downside, even though this looks like a really good setup. And this is what price should do. But on a choppy day like this, we also need to consider the fact that, are we expecting price to be normal? You know what I'm saying? The day is this, the day is like this. It's not really... On an ideal day, this drop to down here, where the TPS would have been perfect, the continuation down here, and then down here. That would be a beautiful move, right? But in choppy markets, we could also expect choppy moves, right? So that being said, this is why you need to have conservative risk management on days like these, right? Today, personally, myself, I was playing with 0.5%, you guys. Risk 0.5%, and now I just have another position that's running to potentially give me more than that. But I'm happy with that 0.5%, right? That's how you need to be trading this as well. Have a nice, generous stop loss, and you can only do that if you're in with the right lot sizes, with the right risk management. Emily, it complicates things a lot. Emily, the one-on-one is super cool. It all falls together after each. Yeah, I think Emily was talking about watching our videos, but you won't believe it, with a lot of the people that come on the sessions, I actually have to make them unlearn the stuff that they learn from YouTube before I jump in. Now, the truth is, I respect people that make content. I'm not going to lie. I absolutely respect them. It takes a lot of work, and it takes a lot of effort, discipline to get that stuff going for yourself. But they're there to make content. They're there to get views. You'll need to realize that, right? So everyone tells you what a double bottom is. Everyone tells you what a double top is, but nobody tells you how to trade them, right? That being said, the retail traders that have consumed content on YouTube, they basically just get in, they see double bottoms, they get in on buys, and then what do the market makers do? They flip it to a double top, and before they know it, all of their stop losses have been hit, and they're either out of the trades or they've lost their accounts because they don't understand risk management. So what we do is we only use these patterns, the RSI, the EMAs, our zones, everything only and only as tools, as confluences to figure out our bigger break of structure, be it the buy or the sell. And that's the reason why you're able to see not just a sell box, but also a buy box, and vice versa on our charts. I hope that makes sense. So just don't stress about it. Try to figure out MetaTrader, try to figure out getting in and getting out of trades. And I've got you, okay? Kids are demanding the Spider-Man movie. Kids, me too, man. Me too. I would love to go watch it, but I truly don't have the time. I'm just gonna have to wait for it to come on Netflix or some shit. I don't have the time to watch a film right now. It's funny because we run a production house and we don't watch films. It's funny, but it is what it is. Yep, nasty attempting barcoding right now though. Just know it's okay to fail. That's why we trade demo till you're ready. Absolutely, Alex. Excited for my one-on-one. When's your one-on-one, buddy? Everything is going to be clear after your first one-on-one session with Cram. Sure thing. The reason Nasdaq's falling. Okay. Attempting to. Is anyone in on this? That was your nice clean break. They're giving you the move, okay? There's also 4 minutes to the new Ali swap. All right. The next TP is just down there. We're looking at about, that's nothing right now. That's about 3-4 pips. Take your 10 and get out, you guys. Extremely choppy markets. Please take your 10 and get out. I mean it. Time really does fly, space. Unreal. Unreal. If you guys are in on this, 5 pips, switch it up to BE, man. These markets are not markets that you want to mess with today, okay? All right, the dirty sells could be kicking in as well. That break, and we push down. I legit mean it. I'm not getting in on any trades today, you guys. I'm honestly done for the day, so you're not going to hear me screaming. You're not going to hear me telling you guys that I'm up by these many pips because the markets have been very choppy and I successfully navigated my way through them already. So I'm not jeopardizing my account for nothing, okay? So please be careful. Please be mindful. Respect the strategy. Wait for the break, the retest, the rejection, the break of the previous structure. Just don't even attempt to trade the impulse. Not today. Look at gold. I hope no one was in gold, and if y'all were in on gold, I hope y'all realized your 4-5 pips of profit, whatever it gave you. Ugh, dirty markets today. Dirty, dirty markets. Sorry, guys. All right, look at what they did on Nasdaq. This is what I meant, okay? Fake outs today. Now, if you have your stop loss somewhere here or here, maybe it's time you bring your stop loss to this region because this could reverse on you guys, all right? And it's also so close. This is the new hourly swap. Let's see if we have any sort of momentum that's going to kick in now. Okay, don't have a stop loss more than that, you guys, please. Look at this solid level coming in. If you're in on the buys, I'll mark it out for y'all. Just don't, all right? It seems like a very, very, very choppy market right now. You could even have it up there if it's not too much. I reckon that'd be about 20 pips, 15 pips. That's a 15 pip stop loss right there. Usman Hamza, are you Pakistani? No, brother, I'm Indian. I'm Indian. Ugh, come on, do something, man. There's nothing that's going on right now. Extremely dead. December vibes. This is worse than December, man. Guys, can you freaking believe it? We're halfway through 2023. It's goddamn unreal. It feels like we were just trading December. It feels like we just freaking started this year and we're halfway through it, man. How unreal is that? Time is going way too fast. Trust me about it. Especially when you're trading these markets every day. Whether you guys want to accept it or not, that's going to play a big factor in your lives. Where you're actually, because every day you're looking for your small 0.25%, and you're going to realize that damn, time is flying. I'm not even kidding. But I feel like that's the beauty of these markets. At least for me, it's been that way. All right, and it's crazy. I can't believe we're in December already. Before we know it, we're in June already. My bad. Before we know it, December is going to be here. 24 is going to be upon us, and but yeah, 23 has been one hell of a year, man. I just can't wait, and I can't begin to anticipate what 24 has in store, not just for us, but for you guys as well. But 23 it's been some year, right, babe? It's been our best year so far. And a lot of the credit for that goes to you guys. So thank you all so much. Um, yeah, we found our army and we're working towards making you guys millionaires. I love it. 23 is the learning. 24, I gotta not only trade Lambos but buy them. Yes, sir. Trust me, bro. You're gonna reach a point where you're like the shit don't matter. I'm not even kidding. I used to think that when I was 22, two, and then I just reached the point, and I'm like, oh, it's not really about materialistic things anymore. It becomes more about growing wealth. But you've got to go through that, okay? Buy yourself a couple of Lambos. Enjoy what you make in these markets. Enjoy it because that's why you make money in these markets to begin with. Spend on yourself, spend on your family, spend on your loved ones, spend on your girlfriends, spend on your wives, your husbands, your boyfriend, whatever it is, right? Spend the money, enjoy it. But also chase growing wealth because that's what's going to really make the difference. Okay, dirty starting to kick to the downside. Let's see, you guys. There's no momentum that's breaking through. I'm genuinely even thinking, should I even stay for market open? Because it's going to be erratic on market open, and I wouldn't recommend you guys to be trading a market like this. I'm not going to lie to you all straight up. Um, and you guys anyway have my levels. The buys are definitely not nowhere here. Don't think about buying this region. Just let it go. Let it be. Don't think about buying this market, to be fair. Don't think about buying this market either. This one, don't think about selling it, okay? The DXY is choppy as well. Everything. Everything. Okay. Freaking boring markets, man. I can guarantee you guys the move's not even going to come at market open, but it's probably going to come like 10 or 15 minutes post market open. That's when the move's really going to kick in. And don't let these markets fool you, okay? The volume will kick in and it's going to be erratic AF. Um, just don't be caught on the wrong side of that. DAX. Okay, running by about 25 pips on DAX. Let's see, you guys. Let's see. There's no volume, and there's no catalyst that's even going to bring in volume. The banks open up, Neha. The institutions, the hedge funds, the banks, everything opens up. and that's what brings in a surge of liquidity, brings in a surge of orders being fulfilled and triggered because a lot of people place their orders over at the times when the banks are shut, the banks themselves. So those get triggered as soon as the market opens, and boom, that's also why you see gap ups and gap downs and just an injection of volume. So volume is just the number of traders that are actually trading, the number of orders that are actually being fulfilled. Um, and yeah, so news, market open, any major economic events, all of these act as catalyst to bring in volume. Guys, even Cash is telling me I think I'm just gonna end it. There's really no point of us staying on these markets. I don't want you guys to get frustrated and end up taking trades that y'all don't need to be taking. If y'all made some money already, y'all have made your money. If you haven't, don't trade this. It's okay if you guys don't have a trade on one day. It's really not that big of a deal. You'll need to start realizing this. I anticipated this coming in today, which is why I thought I might as well get my hands dirty for London. And my London trade, by the way, that made me 0.5%. Babe, for how long was I monitoring that? 2 hours. I was in on that trade for about 2 to 3 hours. Okay, because it was that choppy, and if you can hold through the emotions, and if you're able to hold through that, then well and good. But if you can't, if you don't have risk management, this is usually the kind of days and the kind of volume that consumes the retail traders. There's cat news at 9. Market's setting up for a move. Possibly, possibly. There's definitely going to be a move, but it's also going to be erratic. Okay, guys, I'm going to give you all levels and I'm going to call it, okay? Just because of the fact that there's nothing going on. And like I said, I don't want you guys to be trading something that doesn't need to be traded. 84.94, that's a 10 pip move. All right, that's a little Vic fill over there. Another 10, 8 pips. So you have an 18 pip range before which you can get a solid push up to maybe somewhere there. Okay, so I like this entry on NASDAQ at 600. Look at that. What are the chances, right? Whole number. We're at 14,600, so you can expect some supply there. You can expect some resistance to kick in right over there. The dirty didn't give us any sort of confirmation. Okay, look closely. Not a single candle has closed within our box. Everything just basically. Guys, do you all hear me? What just happened? What just happened with... Do you guys see my screen? Screen is gone. Guys, something really weird just happened. Okay. I hope you all see my screen now. I'm sorry, everything just sort of shut down on me. I thought I had a power outage for a second, but apparently not. Yeah, like literally that happened. And me and Cash started looking around and we're like, the lights are still on. What happened with the PC? Okay. And literally that happened when that big ass candle started to shoot up. Hear you, but screen is off. Okay, okay. Wow. You guys sent more messages as soon as my screen went off than y'all have through this whole freaking session. What is going on with you guys? Stream got like really small panic. Most movement all day. Tell me about it. Okay. Fuck, look at gold, man. Do you really want to be trading this, guys? Let's get rid of that. Not nice at all. Just not nice at all. Gold is stubborn. Everything is, buddy. It's not just gold. It's not just gold. Everything's super stubborn right now. Okay, let's see, let's see, let's see. Guys, maybe another 5 minutes and I am gonna call it, okay? There's no point staying for market open, trust me when I say this. I know that the move's gonna happen, but it's gonna be it's gonna be dirty. July will get better, Greg. July will get better. As we step into Q3 and moving into about October, November, you got trust me, guys. The best trading time is still yet to come. I'm not sure how many of you guys remember the absolute OGs at Forex trading. You guys probably remember when we started last year. That time, like, trust me when I say this, August, September, October, and even November to a large extent, these 3 to 4 months is the time that you guys really need to be trading, man. We were literally hitting on, and we used to do like 2 charts back then, not even 4, right, babe? We used to do 2 charts, and we literally used to have 1,000 pip days. No kidding, 1,000 pips. We're headed in there soon. All right, it's another July is going to be good. It's not going to be the best, but it's definitely going to be better than June as we enter into Q3. But then, man, August, September, October, those months are going to be fire. I promise you guys. November 2, and then things finally die out as we head into the new year. But the best is yet to come. Trust me when I say that. Cram, those months better? What makes them trade better? Same answer. Volume, liquidity, switching. So these markets, they honestly they change like the seasons, Neha. You'd see gold respect levels at certain times. You'd see Nasdaq respect levels at certain times, and then of course there are also economic sort of events that happen at certain times every year, which correlates to the time that you trade with, and it just works out. It changes like the season. In my 7 years experiencing and trading these markets, that to me has been the best time to trade. In all honesty, you literally don't need to be putting in your big ass lots. What I do personally, and this is what I'm going to recommend to my one-on-ones as well as we get to these times, but um, drop your risk. You don't need to be risking 1% in a market that's already volumized, because even if you risk 0.5%, you'll end up making 1%. You know what I'm saying? Just because we have that much more volume, we have those many more pips that are up for grabs. So yeah, it's always fun to trade those. Lambo season, yes sir. But that's the beauty of it, right, Camper? Your Corolla turns out to be a Lambo in this time. So the risk is less. And as long as you have risk management, though, because if it can go in your favor by that much, it can also go against you by that much and more, right? So as long as you guys have risk management going for yourselves, it's all good. New car for each day, yes sir. Yes, correct. Q3 getting into Q4. Your Lambo is a private jet. Absolutely, Space is right. At those times, your Lambos are not Lambos anymore. They're freaking private jets. Oh god, guys, this is way too choppy for me to be even watching right now, man. New 15-minute momentum, and this is still the way it is. This isn't the worst, buddy. This isn't the worst. Trust me when I say this. All right, listen, guys. I'm gonna give you guys the setups. Let's just break everything down real quick and let's call it a session, okay? I don't feel comfortable. Um, I don't feel comfortable sort of trading this, not myself and even not with you guys. More so not with you guys, okay? Just because of the kind of chop that's going on um, in these markets, okay? So dirty, like I said, buys on the break of our daily, mark it up. I'm currently using 8 cap, 33637, good zone. The sells, I really, really like this level for the sells, okay? No kidding. It's just, it hasn't had momentum to break it down here, all right? Look at we have some really steady downtrends that look like they want to push into the RSI as well. Let's take a look at the EMAs. EMA. So we're currently just holding on to the 9. The second we break this 9, we're going to drop back down. Okay, so that's what is going on with the Dow. Like I said, nasty, don't get in on these fake outs, man. Just, you don't want to. Your safer entries now are going to be below that because we have now identified supply. Sorry, my bad. Demand that has been built over here. Okay. Let's look at something like that, maybe. If you guys are on the one-on-ones with me, my aggressive scalpers, you guys could look for something like that. TP1 right there, TP2 up there. Not a big move. It's about 10 pips and another 8 pips, all in all an 18 pip move. Okay, now ask yourself, do you want to risk your Lambo being taken away from you for a move this small? If the answer is yes, well, have the right risk management and don't risk more than 0.5% on the trade, okay? And let's fix this up as well, right there. Sell into your demand, nice little double bottom potentially being formed here right now. So let's see if we want to come back down here and sort of retest this and then break out of the supply that's going to sit up here and get the move to the upside. Okay, so the buys are at 1960.3 and the sells are at 1957.5. All right, so take those down. Try to trade these if you want to. What I'd recommend you guys to do is try to trade this on a demo. All right, trade this on a demo just so that you guys are trading it not with the intention of making money, but trading it with the intention of, excuse me, trading it with the intention of actually learning how to trade choppy markets, okay? Because the chop is real, and you guys know that. But it's also really important to go through these sessions because not every day is going to be fairy tales. Not every day is going to be, a crazy fast 10-minute session sort of a day. It's not the way these market works. Yes, those are the sessions that look the most fun. Those are the sessions that make Forex trading look fun. But the truth is, out of 10, you're going to get maybe 3 or 4 sessions that are like that. And the others are a game of patience, okay? And we want to trade these markets the right way, all right? So we want to be able to just be conservative in such markets is what I'm trying to say. Canada, yep, possibly, buddy, possibly. 100% against, you're absolutely right. The sort of knowledge that you're going to get out of these sessions is worth more than the money that you make out of NFP and all of that. Trust me when I say this. This is what's truly important because take my example today. Sitting here, not taking any trades, chilling with you guys, watching, having control over my emotions, having control over my trigger thing. It's all of these things that you guys also need to learn to sort of do. It's not just hitting buy or sell, right? It's understanding when to stop. It's understanding when to not get in. It's understanding when to just take a break, all right? But look at that. Again, if you guys are in on this, good for y'all, but do we have volume to kick? Probably not right now, okay? But could we get volume in the next 10 minutes? Maybe. To me, this is starting to look like a nice double bottom. We had a break, if you can see closely, just above our buy box right there. And no retest, no rejection, a straight continuation. But we're coming into some traffic here. We're coming into traffic there. This would be our 15 pip. Oops, not 15 pip. That's the stop loss. Let's get rid of that. This would be your 10 pip. 85, 94. Yep, that's about 9 pips. It's not even 10 pips. Look at the range right now, you guys. It's horrible. Okay, so that would be your TP1, TP2. I don't like it. This market needs to start shorting. Okay, All right, gold's doing an impulse. Okay. Cash is literally screaming at me from the background, and she's like, "You shouldn't be trading these markets, babe." And I'm like, "Yeah, I'm not. I'm not trading it. I'm doing it for the group. I'm doing it for the team. I'm doing it for the army." Okay, is anyone in on anything right now? Anyone in on any sort of trades? Are we just watching, or are we in on feelers? What's going on? What's going on? Nothing at the moment. Okay, good. Look at that. Gold had a little bit of a fake out. Didn't play out. Nasdaq. Fuck, man. Where can Nasdaq come down to? Nasdaq can come down to half that candle. Or exactly here. Okay, that's also pretty much, even though we have sort of like two necklines for this W, one up there, one down here, we could come down and retest neckline number one. Oh, Craig, you know me too well, bro. I was literally just, I was literally just getting to that. Let's see. Let's see, you guys. Okay, but finally some buying momentum. That's stepping into the dirty. Okay. Watch, watch, watch. Be careful. We've got about 7 more minutes, and you guys want me to stay for market open? I'm staying for market open. Okay. Let's see, you guys. 6 more minutes to go. Hello, sir. How are you? I'm doing good. One day home. I'm doing very well, thank you. And yourself? Welcome to the stream. Okay, attempting to break the daily. Let's see, man. We break that daily, and we're most likely gonna get a move. Okay. 20 seconds to go, and then the last 5 minute candle before the Wall Street market open. Watch for gold. Impulse on gold pushing to the upside. Lots of supply sitting up there, though, guys. Only feelers. Have you guys been checking out our social media? Have you all been seeing the content that we've been putting up? We're putting up educational videos. We're putting up all of that good stuff. Make sure you guys go and check them out. Also, just support them if you can. A like is not gonna change too much for you guys. Make sure to put those on and look out for the videos, okay? Because we're releasing snippets, we're releasing bites, and they're informational bites, okay? So make sure that y'all are up to date with us on all the socials, be it Instagram, be it TikTok, be it YouTube. I think that's all we're on right now, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, make sure you're following us everywhere and learn with us, okay? Not just on the streams, but also off the streams. Okay? Dirty didn't close up. Nasdaq, trying, not really, but trying. Okay, they're coming back down. 4 more minutes to market open, you guys. 3 minutes to market open. Let's see. Listen, for the ones that actually do want to scalp the shit out of this, risky trade. Use tiny lots, but you have your zone right there. Okay. That could give you something as well. 20 pips. All right, and Nasty is starting to push back down. Christ, chopping these markets today, man. So is the dirty. Let's see, you guys. Maybe they're finally entering into our regions. Maybe we're finally going to get the move that we've been looking for, okay? Let's take a look at gold as well. Okay. It's more or less playing out. You remember me telling you guys, right? Don't look to buy this for now, don't look to buy this for now, and don't look to sell this for now. They're trying. Let me take a look at German. German's gone back up. My runner should be treating me well right now, but that was your scalp, zone to zone, that I told you guys about. Let's see if they want to close and break down or if they're going to hit TP on the impulse. The bigger break of structure naturally is below our demand there. I just put that on for you guys to see it, but that's our bigger break of structure, okay? Guys, we should be getting more success stories based off of these sort of sessions rather than the sessions that we're making a shit ton of money on, okay? Because this information is a lot more valuable than the actual money that you make in these markets. I'm not kidding, okay? So it really doesn't matter if it's a slow day or it isn't, but go on and put on a success story. Tell people how we're teaching you guys patience here at Forex. Tell people how we're teaching you guys not to FOMO into trades. Let people know that we don't chase these trades, we let these trades come to us. And that's the only way to make money in these markets, straight up. Okay? So make sure you guys post on some success stories. And Twitter posts. Mills, do we get Twitter posts? Or do we have the community slacking with those? Okay, market open in the next 5 seconds. Let's see you guys. All right, this is market open. They did it. They did nasty dirty, as you can see, and they're doing the dirty as well. Let's take a look at what the RSI is doing right now. Okay, sells are kicking in. Boom. Nasdaq, the buys are kicking in. Anyone in on an impulse? Make sure it's an impulse. All right. Gold. Wow. Yep, gold looks like it's coming down to now make a double bottom. Erratic moves. I told you guys, market open's going to be erratic. Okay, but look at that. Nasty's pushing up. Anyone trading Nasdaq right now? Any of you guys catching that big freaking candle on Nasdaq? It respected our region. Wow, Nasty's flying, man. Nasty's flying. This looks like a liquidity grab to me, you guys. Looks like it's going to start wicking down. Let's look at this. This is starting to look delish. Let's see if that break happens, okay? I'm itching a little bit, and I hate you guys for doing this to me, but I am itching on the dirty right now. Oof, look at Nasdaq, you guys. Anyone in on the buys on Nasdaq? Come on. Someone's got to be in on the buys on Nasdaq. Daoud W? Finally, someone. That's a big ass candle, man. Okay. Dirty is right by our 200. I got in on the dirty, small position, just testing it out. Very small position, you guys. If we break that low, I'm going to get in for a quick in and out, okay? I'm just in with a feeler right now. Yeah, babe? Lovely. Cash just made 1% on those nasty buys. All right, I got in. All right, small position. I'm layering up my positions. Like I said, I'm not exposing my Lambo, not today. All right, so I'm just in with $10 as of right now, $5, $5. My stop loss is going to be at our supply. And if that goes against me, I'm fine by that because I do understand that this could be a liquidity grab. 25 pips into $10, 250. I have no problem. Look at nasty. It flew up all the way. Dawood took 1% on NASDAQ as well. Lovely. Congratulations, Cash. Vanessa, you made 8% on NASDAQ. I don't know if I should be laughing or if I shouldn't, but congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. Okay. Gold. Remember what I told you guys. 38 of y'all ended up staying, and 38 of y'all get the volume and get the moves, okay? Oh my Christ, look at NASDAQ, man. That's a big-ass candle on NASDAQ. Legit, that's a huge candle on NASDAQ. Okay, I just got stopped out on the dirty, you guys. That's it. I'm not doing any more. I wasn't going to trade, but for me, that's pretty much a feeler. I have no problem with that, and I'm okay. I tested it out, and I wanted to see if we were going to get the move now or not, but look at that liquidity grab, okay? There's divergence coming in as well. Okay, so Cash just said there's divergence that's coming in. Like I said, this is looking like at least a potential liquidity grab right now. Screw the dirty. Tell me about it. Nasty was the move, man. Look at NASDAQ. You guys are freaking banking on that. Look at that fly. That's intense, you guys. That's intense. I'm going to see how this candle closes in the next 30 seconds. Okay. If the dirty closes down here, then maybe I'd look for some re-entries. But if not, no, they're not doing it, guys. They're not doing it, okay? Boom. Look at that. Who else is glad they pushed through and stayed on here? Let us know, you guys. Let us know. I told you all that the moves will come. All right, the moves will come. They came. Volume kicked in for market open. That NASDAQ candle, I'm not even going to count the whole candle, but from our buy entry, that's a 70 pip candle. 70 pips. That's a shit ton of pips, you guys. Okay. Gold's trying as well. Trying. You have a 16 pip move coming up there in case that wants to happen. Of course. Of course, dirty. Of course. Do us all dirty. Okay. Let's see. I wouldn't mind recovering the 250 that I just lost. Alright, break that early support. Come on. Break it, dirty. Show us you want to break it. Show us the way, dirty. Come on. Nope. Not as yet. Nothing happening as yet. Nothing happening as yet. Yeah, too wiki for me. Not happening, you guys. Not happening. I am happy. We're taking a small Corolla L. I really am. I have no issues with that. I'm up for the day, and being down by 250 is not hurting my account in any way at all. Okay, and the reason I can say that confidently is because of my risk management. So it's all good. And sorry, babe. Marius is not on the session. Marius, if you're on the session, one second, guys. Goldilocks, look at that. Okay, we broke the structure on gold. You caught your 10 pips. You guys, anyone catching gold? I told you guys this was going to happen as well. Anyone caught gold? Quick 10 pips in and out. No one caught gold? Emily caught $20 on gold. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, the dirty is going to go. Guys, trust me, all right? If the dirty breaks our resistance, it's pushing up, no problem. Just letting you all know, everything will get thrown out of the window, all of this. And as long as we break that high, we're flying, man. Just letting you all know. All right, you guys, listen, I'm going to call it... Fuck, man. Right when I'm about to say it, it's giving us an idea. Okay, okay, look at that. What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys? They break that high, and they are pushing. 1% on GU just in time. Congratulations, buddy. Okay, let's see if the dirty wants to break that. They did. My spreads aren't the best on dirty right now. I have about a 5 pip spread. And I don't like a 5 pip spread. "48 seconds to go." Let's see, you guys. Let's see. All right, I'm in on this with that same small position, and I'm running. I'm running right now. Boom. Who's catching that with me? I got in with a bigger position as well. I'm running by about 5-7 pips on my bigger position right now. 7 pips on my bigger position. I'm cashing out. I'm cashing out. I'm not waiting for any more because the next candle could open up and it's going to go down to retest, okay? I'm running by 7 pips, and I'm just pulling out 7 pips on this right now. Boom, there you go. Beautiful. I just pulled out 4,200 on 10 pips. Who caught that with me? This is still going to push up most likely, but I'm done. I lost 250. I made 4,700. Who freaking caught that with me, you guys? Who got that? Solid move coming in. This is the power of it, okay? When it doesn't always have to play out the way you think it plays out. There's a reason as technical traders, we don't only have sells, we have buys. We don't only have buys, we have sells. So that we're ready for price to do either or. Cram, is it possible to find trade at other times as well? Or only for sessions openings? I'm worried because sometimes I'm working and sometimes close. I'm for sessions openings and therefore I'm worried I cannot. That's not true. You can take trades at other times as well. It's just that you have to actually understand how to take trades at that time because it's easier to trade with volume and it's harder to trade choppy markets, okay? Just like Cash said, we can have trades otherwise as well. Yeah, exactly what Cash said. Congratulations, Vanessa. Yes, yes, yes. All right, you guys caught some W's on the Dow? Lovely. Lovely, you guys. All right, so this is the way it is. This is the way it is, okay? In front of y'all, I was down by 250, which was a small position. Thankfully, it was a small position, but I wasn't going to expose my Lambos over here. Right over here, I got in with that same small position with the intention of recovering the 250 that I lost, but then it went up. I saw a nice bounce. I was waiting to be trigger finger on the break of the high. The second we broke the high, I got in, caught 7 pips. So I got in around about, I cashed out all the way at the top. Oh, that's weird. I got in somewhere here, you guys. This is where it sort of, it took a little bit of a breath and then pushed back up. That was my entry in. And I cashed on that, 4,700, all right? Patience pays in these markets. The ones that stuck around, 37 of you guys that actually stuck around to the end, y'all see how it all works out for y'all. Okay, the ones that didn't stay, their loss for them. I hope they close the day at a break even at least and not a loss. But with patience and with Forex trading, you guys are always going to end up in the blues, okay? I'm telling you guys. This is what we do here for y'all every single day, twice a day. Once for London, once for New York. We're here giving you guys our quality setups, giving you guys our analysis, giving you guys our charts and trading live with y'all twice every single trading day. What do we ask for in return? Nothing. Just some success stories on our Forex server and some Twitter posts. Make sure you guys tag Cram, Cash, and the Forex trading group, all right? Make sure you guys get this done. It's free for y'all, and it's invaluable to us. I'm not going to force you guys. It's up to y'all. If I want to do it, y'all want to do it. If y'all don't want to do it, it's all good. We're still going to continue to do what it is that we do, and we're not going to be stressing out about it, okay? So thank you guys so much. This was an awesome session. I hope y'all learned a lot today. I hope y'all picked up some really big lessons, because today's session, to me, in all honesty, was one of the best. You can call it slow, you can call it boring, you can call it making us want to fall asleep, but today's session, to me personally, was one of the best ones, because it taught us to wait, it taught us patience, it taught us discipline. And all of these fundamentals, you guys, are crucial to become part of the army of millionaires. I promise you guys that, okay? So thank you all so much. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you guys are. And I will catch you guys for New York tomorrow. I hopefully will be on London as well. I am a little busy, but I'm going to try it out. If it's possible, I'm going to make it happen. The cash is still going to be there. Banking with you guys, making you guys your money, making her own money, and of course, just absolutely killing these markets, okay? Murdering goddamn Forex markets. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Have a great rest of the day. I'm Cram, my partner is Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out. Take it easy. Bye, guys.